Welcome to
Romance Workshop.
Get to travel the entire world and the 7 seas in about a quarter of an hour aboard the happiest, song-filled boat ride that ever sailed. I admit, with no trace of embarrassment, that this is the one ride that I always look forward to whenever I get the chance to go to Disneyland. It's a Small World is so calming, so visually interesting, and most importantly, it evokes a wonderful universal message of peace and brotherhood among all peoples of the world as seen through childlike eyes. Disney songwriter brothers Robert and Richard Sherman wrote, "It's a small world after all," in the wake of the Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962, which influenced the song's message of peace and brotherhood. Walt Disney named the attraction, "It's a Small World," after the Sherman Brothers song. It debuted at the 1964 New York World's Fair in honor of the United Nations Children's Emergency Fund, or UNICEF. The attraction was an immense hit at the 1964 and 1965 World's Fair and was eventually shipped back to Disneyland Park in California, where it became a regular attraction. It's a Small World has since been replicated in every Disneyland park around the world, including the one in Hong Kong, and is considered a Walt Disney classic. An expanded Asia sequence has been made in Hong Kong Disneyland with the Philippines, Korea and Hong Kong represented with children singing in Filipino, Korean and Cantonese, as well as an extended China scene with children singing in Mandarin. It's a Small World attraction is located in Fantasyland at various Disney theme parks worldwide, including the ones in Anaheim, California, Bay Lake, Florida, Paris, Tokyo and Hong Kong. I'll see you again in my next trip. Please like and subscribe.